Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. Today, I'm here with a new question. So, let's get started. The question is, please give your advice to a newbie in Google Ads. I run standard shopping campaign all in one, all products, no ad groups. During last 10 days, I receive at least one conversion per day. I have some products which I wish to sell more than others, but they receive less impressions, clicks in all in one campaign. I want to separate them into ad groups or new campaign. Should I better split them into separate groups inside this current campaign, which has conversion data, or separate them into a new campaign? In this case, does Google use data about conversions from other successful campaign? My current campaign runs $24 per day. So I would recommend you to create separate ad groups, and that is going to be very helpful for you. And you can even divide those into different ad groups. And but personally, I feel that you need to first sort out what are your top performing products, and also look around. You can even my recommendations may include creating a retargeting campaign that would also be beneficial for you. Retargeting campaign can give you a lot of benefit. My recommendation is to go with retargeting campaign. Apart from retargeting campaign, look around, create different ad groups for your top 10 performing products. Okay, also look on other factors, such as top locations, where you are getting sales. That is good number. And times of the day, or uh, top performing days, figure out those data as well. You can spend more budget on those days when you're getting more sales, and you can spend less budget on those days when you are receiving less or no sales. Okay, so you can have an idea, like you are getting at least one conversion per day, but in case if you figure out on which time of the day you are getting that conversion, and if it has any similarity, you can spend more budget on that time. I would rather be spending more budget on that time rather than on all of the day. In case if I get few hours, or if I can find a common pattern, I would suggest to spend more. In case if I found more working days, for instance, if I get more sales on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I would spend more money on that. And then I will also look on location, and then I can create different location based campaigns as well, figuring out what products are being liked in that area. For instance, if I'm getting a sales of a different product in a different area, I would rather create a different specific campaign for that region, for that product only, so, or similar products only. So that could also be helpful for me. Also, I suggest people to work around on the competitors, and they can give you a lot of insights and data. We use different tools. In case if you need our services regarding Google Ads audit optimization, we can help you. Even you can help you with setup as well. All you have to do is hire us through one of the link in the description, and we can look around in creating an awesome Google Ads campaign. So we can do that as well, and that could also be very helpful in figuring out what is working well for you. But in case if you can do your independent research, you can figure out, that could also be helpful in figuring out what is your competitors doing. Also, optimize your landing page experience. I have seen various clients, where we optimizing landing page has resulting in multiplying of the sales. So that is also helpful. My recommendation is to work on your landing page experience, and that could again generate more sales for you. So go with it, and look around, and that is one thing we can work around. And then in case if you look around on your search terms, that could also be helpful. Increasing negative keywords, and that could also be helpful again, in figuring out. You can spend more on the keywords which are working well for you, generating more business. So that is more about optimizing. You can also add ads extensions, with your ads, like call extension, site extension. There is a tool which I recommend, and I use it often, to show preview people on how ads would appear with different extension. This is a normal ad, but in case if I add site extension, if I add call extension, or rather I would add the call extension. You can see location extension, advertiser rating, that generates more attention. So using ad extensions also help in grabbing more attention. And that would also help you in increasing your CTR, and ultimately quality score. you know with high quality score, you can reduce your costing, and that could generate more revenue for you, because you are paying less amount of money as compared to competitors. So that could also be a winning factor, because profit margin is where you have to play around. Also, if you optimize the landing page experience on other items, like other items add to cart while buying, adding email newsletter, or connecting with social media integration. so that people can stay connected with you and they can often see other deals as well. So these are some of the long term strategies which can help you in making a permanent client, or getting multiple sales from the same client. So I hope this answers your question. But in case if you need a professional help in Google Ads or data optimization or a setup, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description, get started working with us, and we'll definitely make sure to get an awesome comment for you. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding it. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.